Have you ever considered investing in stocks or company shares? Have you ever hesitated to invest because you found stocks confusing, or did you invest and burn your fingers? In today's video, I show you how you can learn about investing in stocks so that you can invest intelligently rather than speculate blindly. Coming up right now. Hi, I'm Manyara Kirago and this is Money Skills, the channel that informs, educates, and sometimes challenges conventional thinking to help you manage your money better and ultimately to transform your financial life. If you are new here, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to be informed whenever I upload a new video each week. Remember to stay tuned in up to the end of the video to receive a free bonus. There are numerous ways you can begin learning about the stock market. With just a little research, it becomes clear that there is loads of information available to learn about the stock market. Probably the first place to go when learning about the stock market is the internet. You can get lots of information here. There are hundreds, if not thousands, of sites dedicated to the stock market and investment strategies. In fact, the stock market is probably one of the biggest topics in the internet. Of course, when learning about the stock market, you want to be certain that all of the information you're gathering is technically correct. Believe it or not all the information on the internet is correct. Imagine that, right? So to help guarantee that the things you're learning on the stock market are correct, go both to the Nairobi Stock Exchange and the Capital Markets Authority websites. Also, learn what you can from the brokerage sites. You are familiar with some of the names of the brokerage companies which you often see on TV and advertising in the press all the time. But they are also listed on the Nairobi Stock Exchange website. Some of the information they provide will help you learn a lot about the stock market. You can also go online to the booksellers, the bookstores, Amazon and such other bookstores, and look for titles about the stock market. They will probably have thousands of titles about the stock market. If you find a disparity between what the books tell you and what some of these internet sites tell you, go with the book. Be sure to check the social networking sites also when learning about the market. You will find there is also a lot of information there about the stock market and personal finances on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and other sites. Whether you're learning about the stock market as a personal project or because you think you might be interested in investing, you will find plenty of helpful information available. The stock market is over 200 years old internationally and 64 years old in Kenya, and people have been recording information about it since it began. The Nairobi Stock Exchange was actually established in 1954. One of the things you might find helpful when learning about the stock market is a stock market timeline. There are a variety of these timelines available. They have an ongoing record of the most important events in the history of that stock market since it began to the present day. Information available from the Nairobi Stock Exchange includes market statistics, information about the listed companies, details about the regulatory framework, and also there are data products available from the NSC. It would probably be a good idea to narrow down your search initially so that you do not become too inundated with information. When learning about the stock market, you may want to approach it one subject at a time based on what information most interests you or what information you need to develop. Besides simply learning about the stock market, you can go even further and learn how to become a successful investor from many of the websites that teach investment strategy. No matter what your reason, I'm sure you will find learning about the stock market to be a very rewarding and also challenging project. This project can lay the foundation of a rewarding, lifelong habit of investing to grow your wealth.